Would you like to learn about 3 coins to 3 million undervalued altcoins in the Solana ecosystem that I believe could make millionaires in the next 6 to 12 months? Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. If you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. And if this video gets to 10,000 likes, I'll do a massive special giveaway for our community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. According to data from 2024, the most popular cryptocurrency narratives were AI, meme coins, RWA, and layer ones. And in today's video, we're going to be breaking down some undervalued altcoins, and these videos are very time sensitive. So today, this video is right, I think, for a trade. It's right for a trade, but tomorrow things could change and this market moves very, very quickly. So that's why you subscribe and you keep coming back to the channel. Now, a lot of people and analysts are saying $1,000 Solana is written and could be potential in a breakout, and it's going to happen soon. Now, if you look at some of the technicals here, they say that they're regaining some momentum after going down into the 100. So your first coin here has to be Solana. You can see it's sitting at $179, and it went all the way as high, all-time highs of $290. Now it has come all the way back down to 180, and a lot of people are very bearish on Solana. Why? Because the meme coins pumped, they dumped. There's been a lot of just crazy action going on in Solana. But to me, this is where greed and fear come into play. When you are seeing greed in the markets all the way at all-time highs, this is when typically it's the best time to sell. But when you hit lower points and there's a lot of fear in the market, these are typically the times to be buying. Now, again, it's not financial advice, just sharing with you what's happened in real time here on the charts. But Solana here, it's got to be one to take a look at. Now, the reason why is because there's still over $8.59 billion locked in Solana's TVL. Now, this could go lower in the short term, but I believe in the long run here, in the next 6 months, 12 months, that Solana is going to continue to do well. The reason why is because the stablecoin market cap is massive, the fees, the revenue, as well as the app revenue as well. And you can see here the Solana price continues to move up and to the right. And the higher that goes, the more the total value locked is going to be. But either way, Solana has cemented itself as a top cryptocurrency in this cryptocurrency bull run, and I believe it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Now, the next coin I want to share with you, and channel sponsor, has to be Tars AI. Now, we have been talking about Tars AI many times on this channel, but they have a grant recipient from the Solana Foundation themselves. Now, they are an AI architecture protocol on Solana, symbiotic AI app ecosystem dedicated to over 1,000 different Solana users. Now, they also have their AI console, which is their access to modular AI app and ecosystem products at a glance in one super app. So if you scroll down here, you can do even more research yourself, but this is a Solana AI application stack. They have their Sona, which is their first digital asset for the Solana Saga mobile. They also have the Search GPT. It looks very similar and works very similar to like typing in, searching different things as you would on ChatGPT. They have their AI console and their AI agents marketplace. Now, the principal utility token for the Solana AI ecosystem, Tars AI aggregates the best qualities of artificial intelligence and fuses them with a value funnel to provide native Solana users to access all things AI within a few minutes. Now, the reason why I share this with you is because if you look, AI was the #1 average returns in 2024. The chart went absolutely crazy here. And you can see here the top crypto narrative profits in 2024 were meme coins and AI. So the fact that Solana, being a layer 1 blockchain, also doing very well, the #1 AI project, in my opinion, that I have seen has been Tars AI on the Solana blockchain. This is why it is a coin that you got to be paying attention to. Now, also, Tars enables the commercialization of AI applications through their network. All revenue generated will be used to distribute rewards across the rest of the ecosystem participants alongside supporting the native token, which is absolutely amazing for price action. Now, Tars also just redid their entire website, logo, and they've made some amazing adjustments. You can see here the voice commands answered by Sona in the last 7 days have been over 5,000. They also have been to many different conferences and will be continuing to go to many different conferences themselves. This is absolutely huge. They were just in London here, which is really cool to see that they're actually getting getting out there, going into the public, actually making their, self, their brand and everything more well-known. And this to me is what you want to see. You want to see growth, you want to see development, you want to see people who are actually out there building things. And even in the bearish times, this is what TARS AI has continued to do. So to me, these are all indicators of cryptocurrency projects that I like to share with you, my audience, because while volatility can happen on the charts, and you can see here that TARS AI, our first entry, we publicly documented this, is still in the profits. We ended up buying right in this area before TARS AI literally tripled in price. Now again, there's a lot of volatility towards the upside and the downside, but again, buying the lows and selling the highs is where the money is made in these altcoins. So again, it's up to you to understand the risk versus the rewards as well as the trading, but to me, it's very clear looking at the technicals for TARS AI, you can see here that we have still broken out of this range, and now we have come back down into the range. That's it. Now we can ping pong around in here before potentially breaking out again, but I believe that this crypto sitting literally at a $100 million market cap, fully diluted of 174 million, with AI being super hot, AI being one of the #1 trending narratives of 2024. I think this is going to carry over the momentum into 2025, and that's why TARS AI has to be your second coin here as well. Now your third coin has to be Raydium. Now you can see Raydium's market cap is much larger at a $1.28 billion valuation, fully diluted of 2.4 billion. But Raydium reminds me a lot of another crypto that went absolutely crazy in the last bull run, Uniswap. Now, the reason why I say Raydium reminds me of Uniswap is because if you don't know what Raydium is, it's an on-chain order book AMM powering the evolution of DeFi. And as I just shared with you with DeFi Llama, there is billions of dollars locked in Solana. And I believe there's going to be even more DeFi coming to Solana in the near term. Now, the reason why this is such a big deal for Raydium is because there's going to be more volume, more people coming in, more money coming to the ecosystem, and this is going to then help them channel all those resources as well as funnel and make fees from that. Now, the reason why I say this crypto reminds me a lot of Uniswap is because of its chart. You can see here that Uniswap went absolutely crazy in the last bull run, reaching approximately $42. Today, it's sitting at $9, and it was all the way down here at $3 or $4 before it absolutely broke out and went crazy. Since then, it did come back down to the $4 or $5 mark, has been trading sideways. The charts look very, very similar to me. And the reason why is because you can see here the market cap for Uniswap is about 4 to 5 times higher. So I believe that there's a genuine opportunity here with Raydium. It's why is your third coin. Now, as a bonus coin, we have to share with you Jupiter. Jupiter, very similar to Raydium, is the best decentralized liquidity platform, largest DAO, and best community in crypto. And the reason why I like Jupiter, even though there has been a lot of FUD and a lot of things happening with the inner workings and team and what happened with some insider trading and all of that nonsense, to me, the product works the best, and that is where people are going to go when it comes back to the market going crazy, meme coins going crazy, everything going crazy in euphoria. People are going to go to the things that go up the most. Now, Jupiter, sitting at 82 cents, a $2 billion valuation, is not a microcap cryptocurrency coin. It's definitely a little bit higher. So the fact that this chart too, if you take a look at this, is gone and has gone all the way as high as $1.60, has come all the way back down to 80 cents, I believe that could be undervalued. The reason why, as I've shared with you, is the total value locked. You can see that this keeps going up and to the right. And with the potential Solana ETF coming, this is where I believe a lot of attention is going to shift back to. You can see Solana ETF approvals are approaching green light, best crypto to buy. The recent Solana whisper, the approvals is nearing a green light. According to various reports, the US SEC has acknowledged multiple Solana ETF filings from heavyweights like Van Eck, Bitwise, and 21 Shares. So I believe since Bitcoin and Ethereum have already received ETFs, we've seen how well those have done. I think that Solana eventually will get an ETF, and I think that XRP will get an ETF as well. Those are the next two, in my opinion, in line, as well as maybe Dogecoin to get ETFs. And with the SEC basically allowing people to trade crypto freely, be in crypto, I believe a Solana ETF could bring even more attention, even more money into Solana, and there's no reason why I don't think, again, this is pure speculation, that Solana could reach $1,000, right? Analyst says it's written predictions when breakout will happen. So again, a lot of people think, oh, it won't go that high. We've seen crazier things happen, and with regained momentum, with a lot going for Solana at the time of this recording, There's no reason why I don't see that it has the potential to do that. You can see here from the technicals, to reach the top of the chart here, we go back to $340. And I believe that, yes, Solana looks really to rebound to 225 or even 260. So in the short term, those are some marks that you could look for. But again, there's positive trajectory here. And again, at a surge above 260, when that happens, crypto will achieve a 25% gain. So again, Solana leading the ecosystem, and those are your other coins that I believe are undervalued right now. As I mentioned earlier, TARS AI, definitely one to keep an eye on. Your next coin has to be Raydium. That's the next one. And the last but not least has to be Jupiter. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to know what altcoins I am trading and when I believe altcoin season is going to happen, like the links down below, join us in VIP, because I was able to do this firsthand. I know exactly what is going to happen next, I believe, and nobody knows with certainty, but I'm pretty confident that an altcoin season is coming. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next videos.